Welcome to our classroom, room 20. Now, when you first get here, your names are on your hooks, so you will have a place to hang everything. Wesley, yours is actually underneath because I don't know why they don't have a hook there, but they don't, so you're underneath. But everybody has their own hook. And then you'll come in the room, and here we are. So as you can see, this is actually our science table, but it's also our word of the day, which our first word is swagger. And this is our bathroom log. Those are my two sons. And here's our map of the regions, the clock. And then as we go along, we have our schedule. I put a schedule up every morning, and it has an analog clock, a visual, and in cursive. And then we have our hand in hand, be safe, responsible, and respectful. And we have our alphabet and our 12 powerful words up here. And then we have our beautiful smartboard and dry erase board. This is the computer that's attached to the smartboard, and our mood meter. How are we feeling today? Here are our expectations for the room. Basically, do unto others the way you would want it done to you, basically. And our flag. And if I back up a little bit, this is my desk. And our beautiful new rug that Dr. McKay got us. If we walk along this way, you will see that each one of you has a cubby. You can see your names. And right now in your cubby is our magnetic reading book, which we are going to use for reading, obviously, and your Morpheme Magic book. Oops, I need to back up a little bit. Morpheme Magic book, and that's going to be for our literacy intervention blocks. You have your names on the bulletin boards and what is a scientist. This is our library, classroom library, and as you can see, we have a whole set of I Survived books up there. We have graphic novels, we have Andrew Clements, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, we have all of the Massachusetts Children's Book Award books, all the way back to 2017, and there are the rest of your names. We have a kidney table back here for small group instruction, and then we have our schedule, our weekly specials of what will be happening this year in 4th grade. Then we have our writing area. We have markers and colored pencils, we have clipboards, privacy screens, highlighters, reader phones. We're going to be using Empowering Writers, so we have our narrative writing diamond. We'll be using highlighters to highlight our work with writing with colors, and here is our informative and opinion pillar. These are books that I will be reading to you, and then we have some more supplies. Over here we have our science materials and our air filter. As we continue to the sink, we have calculators and rulers, and we have hand soap, and we have sharpened and unsharpened pencils. We have another sort of bookcase area here with more supplies, and another kidney table for small group instruction. We have our genres up there, and now probably what you're mostly looking forward to is finding out where you're sitting. So we have Henry, Peyton, Michael, and Stella, and then Ronan and Logan. We have Wesley and one of our new friends, Luke. We have Franklin and Violet and Brian and another new friend, Briseus. We have Henry and Lakshmi and Santino and Bailey and Adam and Nicholas. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what is in your desk. We have our homework and leave it home folder. We have a social studies folder, a science folder, a literacy one folder, a math one folder, and a personal whiteboard. Over here in your bucket to keep you organized, we have, oops, still open, a glue stick. This is an eraser for your personal whiteboard, a marker for your personal whiteboard, a big eraser, a pencil, and a blue pen. And then we have this fancy pen that you could choose the color that you'd like to use by just pulling down. Okay, so that is our classroom. If you have any questions at all, please, please, please send me an email and I will get back to you. You can also join our Google Classroom, children, if you go to Google Classrooms and just do plus, and you will see that our Google Classroom is there, and you can take a look. I'm looking forward to seeing you all on the first day of school.